Are you planning to move from Los Angeles to Sacramento? Whether it's for work, family, or a fresh start, choosing the right moving company can make all the difference in your experience. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about moving from LA to Sacramento, including the best moving companies, costs, and tips for a smooth relocation. Sacramento, the capital of California, is a city full of opportunity. It's known for its welcoming community, vibrant job market, and top-tier education system. Whether you're moving for career opportunities or to enjoy the laid-back lifestyle, Sacramento offers the perfect mix of urban and suburban living. Now let's talk about the cost of moving. Relocating from Los Angeles to Sacramento is about a 400-mile journey. On average, moving costs in California range from $300 to $3,500, depending on factors like the size of your move, services requested, and time of year. Here's an estimate of moving costs based on the distance and size of your move. These prices can vary, so make sure to get a detailed quote from your moving company. When looking for a moving company, start by reading online reviews. Reviews provide valuable insight into a company's reputation, reliability, and customer satisfaction. You can also ask for recommendations from friends or family who have recently moved. It's always a good idea to consider local movers because they understand the area better and often provide more personalized service. Saving money on your move is possible. Here are a few tips. Declutter. Sell, donate, or throw away items you no longer need. Do some work yourself. You can pack your own boxes and save on packing costs. Get a free quote. Many companies like 3 Movers offer free quotes that can help you budget effectively. 3 Movers is a trusted, top-rated moving company for your Los Angeles to Sacramento relocation. They offer competitive pricing, reliable service, and a professional team to handle every aspect of your move. Getting a free quote is simple. Just visit the 3 Movers website, fill out a form with your move details, and get an accurate, no-obligation estimate for your move. Before you finalize your moving company, here are a few frequently asked questions. Typically, your move can be completed in as little as 2 days with express delivery service. Pick up on day 1 and delivery by the next afternoon. Make sure to check their reviews, verify their licensing and insurance, and ask for a detailed cost estimate. If you're ready to move from Los Angeles to Sacramento, 3 Movers is here to help. Contact us today for your free moving quote and let us make your move stress-free and smooth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more moving tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy moving!